Lunaluna Forgotten Fantasy is a captivating art installation that transports visitors into a whimsical realm where imagination takes flight. The concept behind the Lunaluna art installation is to create an immersive and interactive art amusement park that brings together works by renowned artists from various movements and disciplines. Lunaluna was the brainchild of Austrian artist André Heller, who envisioned a unique space where art would be experienced in unconventional and playful ways. The core idea was to transform a traditional amusement park into a whimsical realm, where visitors could engage with large-scale, functional artworks designed by some of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Heller invited over 30 artists, including Jean-Michel Basquiat, Keith Haring, Roy Lichtenstein, Salvador Dali, and David Hockney to create their own rides, installations, and pavilions. The result was a surreal fusion of art, amusement, and imagination. What set Lunaluna apart was its emphasis on interactivity and immersion. Visitors were encouraged to engage with the artworks, touch the sculptures, and even become part of the installations themselves. The park aimed to bring art to the masses in a playful and accessible way, breaking down barriers between the audience and the artwork. Thanks for watching.